the Google Pixel 10 series now out in the world, the countdown has started to the launch of the Pixel 11 in 2026. The Pixel 11 family will be getting official in August. And yet, we're already seeing a purported case outed for the upcoming Pixel 11 Pro XL. The camera island/bar will protrude much less from the phone's body than it does in the Pixel 10 Pro XL. And a fresh rumor suggests that there will be a notable upgrade in terms of the phone's processor. Google is testing a MediaTek M90 modem with the Tensor G6 processor, the CPU due to debut with the Pixel 11. We're still expecting the standard Pixel 11 to be joined by the Pixel 11 Pro, the Pixel 11 Pro XL, and the Pixel 11 Pro Fold. It's rumored that TSMC will move on to a 2nm process for the Tensor G6. The Pixel may 11th be one of the first flagships to sport a SoC with 2nm fabrication. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.